What's up guys, Alan here with Edge Autosport, and we are in the middle of like 3 different video shoots right now, and we keep running into the issue of me having torched the brakes at the track a couple weeks ago. So we thought, okay, what can we do that doesn't require brakes so that we can get a video up? And the answer to that is the Cobb pitch stop mount. For anybody that's wondering, this is what is left of my rear pads here. And that is to say there's nothing left of the rear pads. These are the stock pads. We had EBC yellows on the front, which actually held up pretty good considering. And I had EBC Super Dot 4 fluid, but we got sent the wrong yellow pads for the rear, so I left the stock ones on, and they are absolutely gone. They trashed the rotor too when it got down to the metal on metal. So we are now waiting on rear rotors, and once we have those, we'll be able to get the wheels back on. And we've got an exhaust video that we're shooting for you to get you some sound clips of some ETS exhaust. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned to the channel. That video will be coming out soon. Okay, back to the pitch stop mount. The reason we are wanting to install a pitch stop mount is because I have been taking this car to the drag strip just about every Wednesday for the test and tune here at Bandimere. And whenever I launch and hit that first, second, and sometimes the third shift, I can feel the stock pitch stop mount maxing out the bushings. It almost feels like the engine hitting the firewall, but what it is the bushings are maxing out and you're getting that metal on metal clunk. So let's see what's in the box first. A pitch stop mount is in the box. And some stickers. But this is what we care about. So we got the Cobb pitch stop mount, and to get this installed, it's not too in-depth. We got to remove the top mount intercooler, which I'll be leaving stock at the moment. We'll be getting some upgraded intercoolers on here before too long. But yeah, starting with this, we're gonna get the intercooler out of the way and get this installed, and then reinstall the stock intercooler. There's no way it's that easy. Wow. The other side is captive on the back one. So we don't have to worry about that. But this side, we're gonna need to. Well, I didn't really have to put any pressure on that, so that might be like locked in too. So that's cool. Yeah. So what I was saying before about it maxing out the bushing is this piece here moves in this kind of a looser bushing, which that's there to like reduce NVH from the engine. But on a hard shift, this is moving all the way to hit the plastic composite, whatever this is made out of. And it's just smashing that really hard. And that movement it's moving the trans, it's changing, well, with this car not being a direct linkage, it may not have too much effect on the actual shifting, but it's definitely going to have an effect on like the torque that the engine's putting down, because that movement is torque that is going into moving the engine and not moving the wheels. So pitch stop mount should take care of that clunk too, and at least at the very least, it just won't feel like the engine's hitting the firewall anymore, which is a very disconcerting sound whenever you're banging gears. So, all right, I'm gonna tighten this lower one first. This install at the current rate falls into the it's so easy, why wouldn't you do it? Okay, so that was a super easy install for the Cobb pitch stop mount on the VB WRX. We got rotors coming in hopefully tomorrow, and then be able to make it out to Bandimere tomorrow evening for test and tune, and get you guys at least get you my thoughts on how I feel the pitch stop mount has changed the overall experience. And I also hope to be quite a bit faster considering the mods we've been doing that are all just waiting on me to be able to stop. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel. You're gonna wanna see the videos we got coming up next. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.